Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this time we're going to take Leo's workshop on the road. We're at the PAC Expo East in Philadelphia. We're in the Linmont booth, and what's great is Linmont has taken all its actuators and made this great toy, a claw machine. What? If you look at the claw machine, it has all of our major axes. The big axis here is the E drive with the double bearings. The small T axis is the F drive with a single bearing. The vertical axis is the DM guide. And the gripper is our rotary gripper. So we're featuring all of this, and they made it into a toy. And I'm going to play. So I'm going to try to grab one of these balls and see if I can win. Here we go. Look at that. First try. Of course, being a superior claw machine player, I had experience. This is Leo Lipinski, over and out.